This is my hosting dashboard, and I have bought premium web hosting for a year, and I have almost created 5 websites already here. And the main domain is Parkour Community basically, which is our YouTube channel basically, and we have our website live there. Do check that as well. Also, let me show you the other websites which I have built so far. Okay, so it's like that. um, this is the one which I have custom built. This is the custom built website as well. This is the WordPress website. This is the WordPress website as well. And here we go. This is the WordPress website. This is the custom built website of Parkour community. Okay, so we can add many websites here as we have premium web hosting. So I am enjoying it a lot, and I'm having a very good experience. Okay, let me show you guys uh, a lot more. So let us go to the dashboard first. Okay, so this is how a dashboard look like. So we can access the database by clicking here. We can access the file manager by going here, and and these are two very main things. We can check the page insights here and everything, performance, analytics, security domain, and many more to explore. So you guys explore all these things. Go and explore these things. Thanks for watching.